Hi guys, so this is Go Green Buddy and I'm still repairing the Massey Ferguson and this is the damage till now. So I had to take the water pump off. This is the water pump. They are heavy as fuck on the tractor. So this was needed because the oil is mixing. You can see it's very thick. It's focus, yes. So it's very thick. It's water with oil and became like a mayonnaise. So to find the problem, this cover needed to come off. And here you can already see the damage of the water pump, but we're not 100% sure and we need to replace this. But to replace this on the Massey Ferguson, you have to split the whole tractor. Simply because this is here and it can only go off when you split the tractor. So that's why you're seeing it here and there. You see that it's split. It's only 2 centimeters, but that's just enough to get the wheel off. And now I should be able, come on, still one bolt on the bottom.
Yes, of course. Not one that I have in my head. It's hard to film one-handed.
I'm not only filming this for you guys, I just don't know what I'm doing, so I'm filming it and just asking on the internet what I should do more. I am quite handy, but I cannot say that I have any experience with diesels. Come on. So you can see that it's simply terrible. Yay! That looks horrible. Alright. So this is the block. And what I now should do, according to the internet, I should be checking if there are no caps here that are leaking. Hey, there it looks. No. It looks fine. I hope it's the cap itself. The cover is off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it and see if that was the issue. Alright. Thank you. And thank you for helping me out. If you have any tips or tricks, please leave a comment.